Hello, I'm Brittany, and today I'm going to teach you about how to use Biteable. Biteable is a free and educational website used across nationwide for all teachers all over, but is not limited to only teachers, as you can use it a lot for business. So today we're going to create a new video to show you guys what you can do when you are using this website. As you can see, we have a start from scratch, or we have I'm making a video too, and you choose either explain, present, promote, or share. When you click that, then you will click a course, an event, a product, a sale, and a service. So we're going to go with what's already on here, and then it will give you kind of already made videos, and then you edit them to where they go towards whatever you are trying to promote, for instance. So we are actually going to start from scratch so I can show you all the tools that we are going to have. So we'll do this as video 1. Get started. So when we get started, we will be making separate slides involving color, maybe audio of our own, or what they offer, as well as we could also make a scene as our own picture if we also were wanting that. They give us lots of options for timing, the default text, all of those fun things, and each slide that we create will be right down here. So with this one, we're going to pick our color to be blue and purple, our audio to be alternative bright bucket, and then we're going to just look at a preview. While it loads, now that it's loaded, we will play our preview. So we picked the title as Brittany. We did some scenes that we thought were cool that they had to offer, as well as changed the colors of the text. Now that I have showed you several ways to create your video, we are going to watch a video already pre-made for us to view. As you can see, Biteable creates a very structured and organized video without very much effort. Being a teacher or promoting a business takes a lot of time, so having the ability to make these videos creates more time management opportunities, and that is really all that any business or teacher savvy person really wants in life. More time guaranteed. Biteable is definitely going to be on my bucket list to check out. Thanks for watching my video, and definitely subscribe.